Hello guys, today I have shared you one airdrop of Coral Swap. So in this video I will tell you about how to do a testnet process of Coral Swap. But before moving forward, I would like to say whatever airdrops that I am giving into the group, all those you have to attend, because anyway I am reflecting at the message that the airdrop is highly recommended or is optional. Because if I am not writing anything, that means that is an option for you. Either it has means that you can attend if you want, or else you can leave it also, no problem. But if I'm writing a recommended or a highly recommended, that means that is a legit part of it. So now moving towards the airdrop now. So like this you have to perform the airdrop, complete all those tasks, and you will get a referral link. Now you need a token pocket, MetaMask, and Discord address, and a Kiwi browser for this. So first go with the token pocket, go into OKT address. Your OKT address is open. Click this folder, add RPC, add custom folder, easy add, search OKT. This is a testnet. So open this page. Now after this open MetaMask. Like in this MetaMask you will get this. So in this MetaMask you have to add this network. So you have to go into setting, click network, add network. Now whatever data that you've been sharing here is like OKT testnet. All this data you have to port it into this RPC address of MetaMask. Once you're done with this, you will find a layout like this, account and the address and the OKT. So in the starting you will find OKT 0, okay, but the things that you have to make sure that the address, this OKT address and the mainnet address in the token pocket remain the same. There should not be any difference in a single word. So okay, once you're done with this, copy this OKT address. You have to go in the Discord link. I will give you this Discord link. Like here you can see people are putting their address to get the faucet. So here you have to, in the message box you have to put your address, and there afterwards you will get a faucet directly credited into your account. In the starting you will get a 10 OKT. Okay, so once you go to 10 OKT, you have to go into the Kiwi browser. There you have to perform the exchange part of it. So this is the exchange part of it. So you have to connect your MetaMask with this Coral Swap exchange. Okay, so I will give you the link in the description. So here you have to perform exchange, liquidity, and farming. Okay, so in the exchange part you will get a 10 OKT in the starting. So you have to select 2 OKT. In the bottom part you have to select USDC. Do not select any other currency other than USDC. Why I'm telling, I will tell you in the last. So you will see like this. So once you're done with this, you have to click this swap button. Once you click this swap button, you will be directed to MetaMask. So here you can see it is MetaMask already been synchronized. So anyway you have to add this extension into a Kiwi browser before going towards. So once you're done with this, you will find the approval link here. As I already done this task, so everything is done. So I will tell you, here you will get a approval link. You have to approve it. Once you're done with the approve, you will find that OKT has been deducted from your account. Once it is done, that's okay. Now go towards the liquidity part. Click add liquidity. Again same process, 2 OKT. Then in the bottom USDC. Then once you're done, enter an amount and click this. Then again it will redirect it to MetaMask. Then again MetaMask you will find the approval option. Click that approval option, come back again, and your liquidity part is done. Now after that you have to do farming. So in farming you have to click pool. Okay, so now here you can see there are so many things that are happening. Okay, so okay, no problem. Liquidity, go for earning. First go before going for farming, go in earning section. And why I'm telling you to do select USDC, you can see Coral and USDC LP. Okay, OKT USDC LPT. Okay, so but anyway you have OKT now. Okay, and if you have a OKT and USD selection, you can click this. Okay, once you're done with this, how many OKT that you have harvested means like in LP section liquidity, add that and approved it. Once you're done with the approved, it will again redirect it to you MetaMask. In the MetaMask, again you have to perform the approval part of it, and it will get active. Once it get active, you will find this harvest option, like after 4-5 minutes get pop out like this. Okay, so here you means you can do this harvesting part of it. Now this is the last part that you have to do, but you have to wait. Before that, you have to wait for 5-6 minutes to do it. If that doesn't come out, so again I'm telling, if it doesn't come out after 5-6 minutes, so again go to the liquidity, add liquidity, again put a OKT, one OKT only, one OKT, same USDC, then again pair it. It will redirect you to MetaMask. Then once it is done, then again go back to earring, earnings. Then earnings, you will find OKT USDC, this part. Then after 2-3 minutes, you will find plus and minus option. So you have to click this plus option, put this into max, confirm, and again it will redirect it to your MetaMask, approve it. And then afterwards 2-3 minutes, you will find this value now is keep on increasing, like 0.026162 going on. So it will also happen in your accounts also. So keep this open for 4-5 minutes, and once it's done, if you found that it's keep on increasing, now once you have done, you can click a harvest option. So harvest option is once is done, the step is completed, because anyway you have to do it once only. Okay, so at the last you have to see that your harvesting is done, your liquidity has been added, you have done the exchange part. So the things is done, that you have completed all the tasks. Okay, and for the new person that have not done the airdrop, that he can go like after this procedure, you can perform this airdrop task into the Telegram channel. So this is the last step or the first step. It's on you whether you have performed in the first or in the last. That's on you. That's for today video, and hope you people have like it. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.